In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudways SSL not working. If you land on your site and see warnings like your connection is not private or certificate expired, don't panic. On Cloudways, this usually happens for a few common reasons. Your domain hasn't fully propagated yet, your DNS records are pointing to the wrong place, or a proxy service is interfering with SSL validation. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check each of those areas clearly and fix the issue step by step. First, before installing anything, confirm that your domain is actually pointing to your Cloudways server. Log in to Cloudways, open the applications area, click on your website, and copy the public IP address shown there. Then open a DNS propagation checker in a new tab, enter your root domain, and look up the A record. What you want to see is that the locations listed are resolving to the exact same Cloudways public IP. If some locations still show an older server IP or errors appear, then DNS propagation is still in progress. In that case, wait until the records finish updating before trying to install the certificate again. Next, if you use an external DNS or security service such as Cloudflare, temporarily disable any proxying on the key records. Open your DNS dashboard and find the main A record for your root domain and the C name for the www version. Change those records from proxied to DNS only. This matters because Let's Encrypt needs direct access to validate your domain, and a proxy can block that process. Leave it this way briefly while you complete the SSL install. Now go back to Cloudways and open the SSL certificate section in your application dashboard. Make sure Let's Encrypt is selected. Enter your email address in the email field, then type your root domain in the domain field. If you also want the www version or any other subdomains protected, add them in the additional domains area. Once everything is correct, click Install Certificate and let Cloudways complete the validation and installation process. As soon as the certificate installs successfully, check that auto renewal is turned on. This is important because Let's Encrypt certificates renew regularly, and enabling this setting helps prevent future expiration issues. If you disabled a proxy earlier, you can now return to your DNS provider and switch it back on. Finally, test the site in a private or incognito browser window. Make sure the site loads with HTTPS and shows a secure padlock. If the certificate is active but parts of the design look broken, that usually means mixed content. In that case, go into your CMS and update old HTTP links to HTTPS using a search and replace tool. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.